Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XLM. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XLM. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down some of the technology around Stellar, some of the improvements they're making as well. We're going to talk a little bit about XLM, the token, and where I see that going also in the future. Introducing the Stellar Asset Sandbox. In a simple-to-use interface, you can issue, mint, and burn new assets on the Stellar testnet, no code required. That's huge. With asset issuance on Stellar, your bank or fintech company can tokenize real-world value on the network built for asset issuance. And look how simple they make this. So leverage the power and flexibility of Stellar to add digital assets to your product set. From stablecoins to CBDCs and more, you can represent financial products and real-world assets digitally on Stellar, enabling your customers to access your assets 24/7 quickly and at a low cost. So you expand your offerings, program your assets, enable real-time payments. They make everything simple. And when something is simple, people will use it. Late Q4 saw the launch of Stellar Aid Assist, a first-of-its-kind tool for aid organizations to deliver cash assistance. Major aid organizations are using it today. We've seen this utilized as far as the Ukraine. I believe other countries are going to use this in the future. This puts XLM and Stellar in the global spotlight. That's what's great about this. So, deliver digital aid at scale. Cash-based interventions serve as a lifeline to millions worldwide in support of basic needs. Stellar Aid Assist leverages the power of the Stellar network and the ecosystem built around it to get money into the hands of those who need it, quickly and at a low cost. It's fast to deploy and can scale quickly to meet a moment of crisis. So how it works, you leverage digital stablecoins or issue your own assets. Distribute funds to approved recipients over the Stellar network. Aid recipients receive funds instantly in digital wallets. Enable recipients to cash out funds when needed in multiple ways. Recipient have local currency to spend. It's that simple. Like I said, when something is easy, people will use it. The Stellar Development Foundation has become the newest member of the United States Community Futures Trading Commission and Global Markets Advisory Committee, highlighting the role of stablecoins in digital asset markets and real-world use cases. I said it time and time again. I still see people say it on crypto Twitter. Once the SEC is done with Ripple, they're coming after Stellar. I don't see that happening. In fact, I see Ripple winning that lawsuit, and all of a sudden the price of XLM skyrockets with the price of XRP. You also got to remember there's less XLM than there is XRP. I believe XLM is going to hit some very high numbers in the future. The importance of interoperability in CBDCs. Central banks have been experimenting with several transaction networks for their CBDC offering, including Hyperledger Fabric, Ethereum, Corda, Quorum, OpenCBDC, and Stellar. And yet people still are trying to say XLM isn't going to be part of that new financial system. It's absolutely going to be. You know, people on crypto Twitter only see one thing. They either see Bitcoin or they see cryptocurrency. Some people really open their eyes and see the big picture. Around XLM, you could see where it's going in the future. It's already being utilized on a daily basis right now. Then people try to downplay the IBM partnership with Stellar. I believe that partnership is a lot more important than people think. And that tells me that XLM is going to be massive in the future. Stellar is an open source, decentralized blockchain network designed with digital asset issuance in mind. It is considered to be a hybrid blockchain with the flexibility of a permissionless ledger, while possessing capabilities similar to permission blockchains via authorization requirements, revocable authorizations, and clawback. enhancing security and control from the issuing authority. Stellar, unlike other blockchains, does not use smart contracts to transfer assets, since assets within Stellar are fundamental. And again, it's one of the greatest cryptocurrencies out there today. Let's talk about Stellar Consensus Protocol. So let's take a look. Stellar Consensus Protocol is a decentralized federated consensus protocol that allows for fast, secure, and low-cost transactions. It's based on federated Byzantine agreement model, which is similar to practical Byzantine fault tolerance algorithm. Unlike other consensus algorithms like proof of work and proof of stake, Stellar Consensus Protocol doesn't rely on mining or staking to achieve consensus. Instead, it uses a network of trusted nodes, called validators, to reach consensus on the state of the ledger. The key feature of Stellar Consensus Protocol is that it allows for flexibility trust, meaning that users can choose which validators they trust and adjust their trust over time. This allows for a more robust and decentralized network, as users have the ability to vote out malicious actors. Stellar Consensus Protocol also has a built-in mechanism for dealing with network partitions called quorum slicing. This allows the network to continue to function even if a portion of the validators become unavailable or start behaving maliciously. Overall, Stellar Consensus Protocol is a highly secure, efficient, and flexible consensus protocol that is well suited for decentralized and distributed systems. It is the backbone of the Stellar network and allows for fast, low cost, and secure transactions. That's why it's going to handle all the person to person money inside of that new financial system. Stellar is a very overlooked crypto right now. People aren't seeing the value in it. New people coming into crypto. People that have been in crypto for a long time, they know where XLM is going in the future. They see the value in the network. Two blockchain-based protocols, Ripple and Stellar Lumens XLM, are gaining popularity as the coins of choice for many international businesses. A digital dollar will provide a missing front end to facilitate international trade robustly. And again, if Harvard is talking about XLM, you need to pay attention. They're not going to teach this in a classroom if XLM isn't going to be here in the future, if it's not going to be part of the new financial system in the future. That's why I'm always saying, you need to know what you hold. You hold one of the greatest cryptocurrencies. Then there's Soroban Equinox. This is also going to be very big as well. I'm playing Stellar Quest Live. Join me in completing a series of quests to learn about Soroban, Stellar's smart contract platform, all while earning XLM and collecting NFTs. And again, smart contracts are on Stellar as well. We're going to see a lot of growth in the future. ISO 222 crypto blockchain will cover healthcare, agriculture, engineering, shipping, weaponry, humanitarian aid, and more. Stellar will replace the old SWIFT payment system. The smart contract network is called Soroban, XRP, a bridge between crypto and fiat. Now, inside this new system, when it rolls out, people are just looking at transactions person to person. It goes way beyond that. People are going to have to pay their taxes. They're going to be using Stellar Network. People are going to have to pay for different kinds of permits using the Stellar Network. It's not just going to be person to person. It's going to go far beyond that. There's going to be medical payments being made. You got to look at the big picture. And I'm telling you, this is a cryptocurrency that is going to enrich so many people. Stellar is going to mint millionaires on the next run up. And beyond that, it's going to continue to rise in value. And I always try to keep you positive in what you hold, because sometimes, you go out and you look at crypto Twitter and people are fighting around these cryptocurrencies all the time. Most likely it's Bitcoin maxis. They know Bitcoin has no future, and they know it has no utility. So what do? They fight around the cryptos that have real world use case and a ton of utility, like XLM, XRP. if you're going to diversify in crypto, if you hold XLM, the only thing I would suggest you to hold is some XDC, some XRP, maybe a few of the other ISO coins. But for the most part, XLM and XRP, in my opinion, are going to be the first real big movers. XDC will move as well, but I think that'll come later as trade continues to go digital. But always stay positive and stay patient, because I really do believe 2023 is going to be a massive year for crypto. With that said, I'm going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. I know this one I kind of went on a rant just showing you all the different things I see as far as XLM. The next one will break down probably more use cases around XLM and go beyond that. But I'm going to definitely try to do more videos on other coins other than just XRP. So we'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.